Please welcome Amy Leach and Alasdair Paul.
Oh, what was on your mind, Bonnie Jeanie? Oh, what was on your mind, Bonnie Jeanie? Oh, what was on your mind when you changed your bedtime mind? Were you tired of lying you lean, Bonnie Jeanie? Oh, 'twas all for loving you, Bonnie Davy. It was all for loving you, Bonnie Davy. It was all for loving you, though I see my folly new. You have caused me for to rue, Bonnie Davy. And day you see love, yon herd of sheep, 100 must I own, but 2 or 3. And I'll grant them all take my moor love Maggie, and she'll consent for to gang with me. Take ye consent, love, I darna gie, they herd your sheep high on yon heathery hill. And I'll grant them all take my moor love Maggie, and she'll consent for to gang with me. And they see love, yon herd o' kine, 100 must I own, but 2 or 3. And I'll grant them all take my moor love Maggie, and she'll consent for to gang with me. Take ye consent, love, I darna gie, they herd your sheep high on yon heathery hill. And I'll grant them all take my moor love Maggie, and she'll consent for to gang with me. And day you see love, yon ships at sea, 100 must I own, but 2 or 3. And I'll grant them all take my moor love Maggie, and she'll consent for to gang with me. Take ye consent, love, I darna gie, they herd your sheep high on yon heathery hills. And I'll grant them all take my moor love Maggie, and she'll consent for to gang with me.
Mony, thanks. How's it going?
good. It's a great pleasure to see you all here today. I'm Amy, that's Alasdair, and we started off there where we sang called Davy and Jeannie, about Davy and Jeannie. And then we went into a song called Moor Love Maggie, which I ken for the singing o Stanley Robertson, who was a Barry sangster and storyteller for Aberdeen. And he was a traveller and a tradition bearer and all. And as a Scots sangster, we owe a muckle debt to all the travelling families who come before us and passed down their songs so generously. So this nice song, I'm sure you all ken, after your wee supper there, that it's Burns Day the day. And it's the day we celebrate our national bard, Robert Burns. But what you may not ken is that Burns was more than just a macker and a poet. He also played about with all the old songs and the traditional songs and macked them as ain. So this is a song o his macking. It's a version of the muckle song, Ferrani o Loch Royal. And it's called Merk Merk is this midnight uur.
One time, wouldn't you? We've just got time for one more song, but before we finish, I'd like to say much thanks to everybody working here, especially to Josh and Scott and David on the sound, agus tango cúideach an skipa Alba Cruachil agus Showcase Scotland cúideacht. It's been an amazing event to be part of, and yeah, looking forward to hearing everybody else. Once I'm in tune. But I will finish with a song called Hold Your Tongue Dear Sally, which Amy has from the singing of Chris Hendry. And it warns of the dangers of getting what you want, and also of the unpleasantness of men of all ages.
So in this song, basically starts off with an old man, and he reckons that all a woman could ever want to be happy is a dress, a jaunting car, and a wee dog, which I think we're supposed to say isn't all it takes for a woman to be happy, but it day me. Your tongue, dear Sally, as I canty the tune. I'll buy tea a jaunting car and a broad white muslin gown. I'll buy tea a jaunting car and a broad white muslin gown. And besides a bonny wee lapdog to follow your jaunting car. The deal gang with your lapdog, your jaunting car on. I'd rather he a young man we made a penny of all. I'd rather he a young man we made a penny of all. But I got an old man to roam me free. Pipes are never in order, your chanter's never in tune. I wish the deal he had ye and a young man in your room. I wish the deal he had ye and a young man in your room. But I got in an old man to roam me free. Your old man is dead and gone, he's left ye all alone. He's left ye 10,000 pounds, and who shall land all in? He's left ye 10,000 pounds, and who shall land all in? And besides a bonny wee lapdog to follow your jaunting car. She's got in her young man we need a penny of war. I knew she's gotten her young man to roll her through the war. He's broken her cups and saucers, she's broken the main and he's killed the bonny wee lapdog that follows her jaunting.
Thank you very much.
Many thanks.
We'll see you after. Come and speak to us later. We're not as off-putting as we look.